Hello and welcome back to the news update from Nagaland State BJP unit. Today's update is a focus on the activities initiated by Minister for Soil and Water Conservation, Geology and Mining and NSMDC Sri Kashiho Santam. I am Sapralingika and here are the news in detail. Nagaland Minister for Soil and Water Conservation, Geology and Mining and NSMDC Sri Kashiho Santam is assigned to monitor the implementation of effective measures for prevention of COVID-19 in Kifiri district. The minister is actively monitoring the situation and coordinating with all the frontline workers in the district. On 1st April 2020, Minister Kashiho Santam, along with Honorable Advisor for School Education K.T. Sukhalu, visited Siochang Subdivision and held a review meeting with District Administration, District Task Force and Medical Department. The minister donated 180 liters of hand sanitizers, 300 hand gloves and masks, and also donated a sum of ₹1 lakh to the District Task Force of Kifiri district. The minister also visited the newly converted COVID-19 hospital and Duda Girls Hostel, which was designated as quarantine home. During the visit, the medical ward and the new isolation ward was inaugurated by the advisor for school education, Mr. K.T. Sukhalu. Minister Kashiho Santam, in his visit, provided monetary relief and relief materials to the needy under Kifiri district for distribution. The minister handed ₹50,000 to Kifiri district BJP to carry forth relief measures for the poor. More than 800 households in his home constituency had been provided with relief materials. He also donated a sum of ₹1 lakh to his mandal and provided other essential commodities. He also donated another package of relief materials to the poor families, and another 200 bags of rice was handed to Kifiri district BJP for distribution to the needy. Minister Kashiho Santam also provided a sum of ₹1 lakh and 10,000 to 70 stranded students and another 50,000 to 20 households of daily wage earners. In addition to all this, the minister credited a sum of ₹30,000 to a patient undergoing treatment at a hospital in Kohima, and another 25,000 was credited to a patient admitted to ICU at Bangalore. On the 4th of May 2020, Minister Kashiho, along with the Advisor for Education, K.T. Sukhalu, visited Siochang ADC headquarters and held a review meeting with the administration, police, health and community leaders of Kifiri district and handed a sum of ₹50,000 to ADC Siochang for emergency purpose. He also donated a sum of ₹10,000 to the police manning the outpost at Siochang, and also donated a sum of ₹10,000 to IRB Jawans station at Siochang. The minister also handed over a sum of ₹30,000 to the health workers at the newly upgraded community health center. On the 5th of May 2020, Minister Kashiho donated 43 bags of rice to families affected by hailstorm under Kunro areas along with cash. On the 9th of May 2020, Minister Kashiho Santam extended relief materials and money to daily wage earners, stranded patients in hospital, and other needy people in the district. The minister also donated 100 bags of rice, which was distributed to 150 beneficiaries under 59 Siochang Sitimi Assembly constituency. On 11th May 2020, Minister Kashiho Santam, in his own personal capacity, had arranged 3 buses for transporting stranded people from Dimapur to Kifiri. On the 14th of May 2020, Minister Kashiho Santam, accompanied by Minister for Health and Family Welfare Sri S. Panyupom and advisor of IPR Toshiwantang, visited Pansa International Border to review the situation. Ladies and gentlemen, that is all we have for you today. We shall be back with more news update on the Honorable Advisor for Tourism, Art and Culture H. Kehovi tomorrow. Till then, stay tuned and Jai Hind.